we are converting this abandoned garage into this YouTube studio apartment on the beach. Hello friends, welcome back to another episode. Welcome to paradise. On today's episode, I'm gonna give you a tour of the new garage cabin build. All the permits are in, everything has been submitted, the drawings are finally done. We're almost a year in the making on this project, and I want to show you exactly what the plan is moving forward. This is our second garage to cabin build project that we have done here on Lake Erie's North Shore. Recently, our municipality passed a law allowing folks to build an apartment above garage structures to combat the affordable housing crisis. Well, this property only has a garage, but we got permission to go ahead with the build. So we are going to be cutting the roof off, putting up a second story, putting a roof back on, building a bathroom downstairs, building a shower upstairs, putting a dormer out the east coast and the west side, all on this 25 by 25 foot garage slab that currently sits on concrete. All right, tour time. Tour time? Tool time. Remember Home Improvement? Dating myself. First things first, because we're going to be building a second story structure, that's going to be adding weight to this current foundation floor. This current foundation floor is only 36 inches thick, and it needs to be 48 inches. Well, you can see we've been having a lot of rain. This is the situation. The water table is so high, right? Because the lake is right there. Started to dig all the way along just so we could see exactly how far down that concrete pour went. And there's nothing you can do about water table. The building will be waterproofed for weather, and we'll look about, building some sort of system around the perimeter. So we have to dig all the way around the entire building and pour another 12 inches of concrete and tie it into this existing slab. So there's going to be like an underpinned foundation. This is what the backyard looks like. Wet season. Wet season. Life at the lake with rising water tables. All right, so we're gonna go back inside. What we're going to do is put the bathroom in this far corner. So we're gonna tuck a bathroom in here, and there's going to be a little kitchenette here. By law, because it's a garage structure, it's being grandfathered in terms of new law and code. So this space will remain a garage door opening and parking space. Doesn't mean you can't use that space for other things, just means on paper, for now, it's going to be a garage space. We already have power. This is a brand new panel we had put in last year. It's been inspected, it all satisfies code, and we have one live working plug here. All the old electrical had to go. We actually live on the Canada-US border, so a lot of this material comes out of Michigan, and it doesn't satisfy Ontario Canadian law. There's nothing wrong with it, but as per inspections, it all has to be gutted and had to be gutted. So bathroom is going to get tucked in the corner. I'm standing in a garage space. This is going to be like a laundry room space. The back wall is going to go out another 2 feet. The kitchenette is going to be over here, and I believe the stairs are going at the back. I believe the stairs to go upstairs, a full set of stairs, like legal code with a railing, not these garage loft attic stairs. A full set of stairs are going to go over there up to the 2nd story. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh jeez. Well, my friends, welcome to paradise. The rumor is somebody spent lockdown up here. Somebody stayed here during the pandemic. I did find a plant, and I did find a pail, a bucket. For those of you who camp or go off grid, you know exactly what the pail was for. All right, here we are in the upstairs space. So this is all going to be cut, removed, and we're going to go up another 2 feet. So it's a full ceiling here. There's going to be a dormer out this side, facing north, and we're gonna tuck a shower and toilet in there. That's going to be the ensuite, but because it's tucked into the dormer, it won't affect the footprint of the loft space. Because 1-bedroom houses are tougher flips around here. You know, it's not good for a growing family. This is gonna be more apartment, but bachelor apartment style. So the entire upstairs loft is going to be the living space, studio space, apartment space, with a shower and toilet here. And then directly below that, where I showed you earlier, will be another toilet and bathtub downstairs. So the garage space downstairs becomes the +1 2nd bedroom, or whatever we choose to do with it. But check out this space now, pretty gnarly. All the windows are going, everything's being replaced. So we're gonna go with vertical siding on this project. And I can't wait to have you come along with us. All right, time to get cooking on the Kamado Joe. Pulled pork, baby. Let's go home. Today we're going to use the hardwood lump charcoal. It's a rainy one, overcast. So we're gonna put together, let me show you how this works for pulled pork, because lately it's been all grilling, high heat. Now we're gonna do a little bit low and slow. We're gonna take these out, take the grills out first. And we're gonna use this contraption. This part sits inside like so, and this ring will sit on top like so. This one has been super warm, so it's kind of warped. It doesn't sit as nicely. And this is a heat shield that we're gonna put on after the fact. After we get it up to temp, we gotta put the charcoal in first. So this piece sits in on top next, like so, and then this piece sits on top with other heat shields later. So charcoal can go in now. Cheating, using a gel starter, fire starter, get it right here in the middle. see. There we go. And we got to take a lake brain break as the charcoal comes up to temperature here. Lake is flat. I hope you can see that fishing boat. There are a handful of them out there. Lake Erie is the shallowest of the Great Lakes, so it warms up the fastest too. Fish start to come in this time of year. Oh, happy April, by the way. It's April 1st now. Look at that. Oh, it's clear. Not warm at all. Hope you can see those fishing boats. Okay, back to the barbecue. Okay, next we have to put in the 2 heat shields. Once the charcoal comes up to temperature, about 250, 275, I like to open the lid, put the other heat shields on, close it, let it come back up to temperature again. You're gonna lose about 20 degrees when you open the lid, but let's do it now. So the first shield sits nicely on there, and then we use this ring contraption to get up on the second tier here, and my second heat shield goes there. You can see all the drippings, and finally I put the grill back at the top, so you can see why I let it get ridiculously hot, because I'm letting all that heat out. Now we're going to let that climb back up to 300, then we can put the food on. So today we're doing the classic pork shoulder blade, boneless, from your grocery store. I picked it up at Sobeys. I'm going to use a roasted garlic pepper rub, and I'm going to do the 2-2-1 method. So 2 smoke, 2 wrapped, 1 more at the end, hour unwrapped again to bring the bark back. I get it all in there. There we go. Hey GoPro, stop recording. All right. Hey GoPro, stop recording. All right, what I'm gonna do is put the thick side at the back. The heat comes around, and we're gonna close these vents now. I like to leave it just about 1/4 of the way, and this just a sliver, and that'll bring that back up to about 250 degrees for the next 2 hours. Hey GoPro, stop recording. Well, it's been a few hours. 2 hours. Race TV? The clouds broke there for a bit. We're gonna wrap it in parchment paper. It absorbs the fat better than the tin foil. Tin foil doesn't. I got a little warm here. Ready? We're looking together for the first time. Oh yeah. Still way too hot. These are all closed. And we're gonna close that and leave it wrapped for a few more hours. Beautiful. See y'all back. Well, it's been 4 hours. I can certainly smell it. Look how poofy that is. Alright. Put you here for a second. Can you see that? Stay. Well, it's definitely done. I'm doing this because I can't open it. It'll just fall apart, I think. Alright, here we go. What do we think? Yep. Okay. I'm going to leave that lid up and create another bark and come back in another 45 minutes. Alright. Look at the bark on that. Wow. Wow. There's a fat cap there. It's too hot to touch. Let me try it here. Just look at that. There you go. Nice smoke ring, nice pink. Look at that. It's beautiful. That'll do just fine. Ooh, hot. Peace and love from Canada's most southern mainland shoreline. Get somebody close to you, tell me matter. Don't forget you matter. Catch you on the next one.